guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today, in this video, I will show you how to change subtitle position VLC in 3 easy steps. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. Step 1. Open the video file. Open VLC Media Player. Then, play your video file by clicking on Media in the menu bar and selecting Open File to load your video. Step 2. Go to Subtitles/OSD Tab. Once the video is playing, select the subtitle to play on the video. Now, head to the Tools tab on the top menu and select the Preferences option. On Preferences, click the Subtitles/OSD tab. Step 3. Change subtitle position. Here, scroll down to the Force Subtitle Position option. Choose the desired position for your subtitles, and VLC will adjust the subtitle placement accordingly. We suggest you enter 1000px there. Click the Save button to confirm changes. Video Repair Tool. Fix corrupted, jerky, pixelated, grainy, out of sync, truncated, blurry, no sound, black/gray screen, and other video-related issues with Video Repair Tool. Apart from that, it can also repair corruption in video frames, header, and slider movement. The best thing about this program is that it's available on both the OS, Windows and Mac respectively. So, just download and install this video repair on your PC and repair grainy/pixelated video easily. Here is how you can use this tool. Download, install and launch video repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted video files. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. This start repairing your added video files one by one. You can click on Preview, in order to preview the repaired video file within the software, and click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired videos at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box.